POV fidget trading with Miss Bench. Hi, Miss Bench, can we fidget trade?
Sure. I love fidget trading. So I'm gonna set up what I have. So cool. And that's what she has. You can... Sorry, that was my bad. You can start. I'll start with this Neato Dream Drop. Wow, so cool. I'll add the sushi. Accept.
But this is a neat... Oh, I feel bad. Can you just add one more thing?
Yeah, I'll add this homemade squishy, and just because I'm feeling generous, I'll also add this. Accept.
Oh shoot, I can't tell her to add. That's just rude.
Accept. Thank you, Miss Bench. Wow, so cool. I'll start off with this fidget slug.
That's low-key buns, but whatever. I'll be a bit over, but I'll add this.
Accept. Well, mine's a fidget slug and yours is just that. Can you please add?
Who does she think she is?
Just add this. Okay, is this good, Miss Bench? Sorry, I really like this fidget slug. Could you add one more thing?
What the hell is she doing?
This Neato Nicicle. Accept. Accept. Thank you so much. Wow.
Thanks, I guess. I'll start off with my Neato Fuzzball.
So cool. I'll add this thing, this cute mochi, and this heart paw. Accept.
Please add, Miss Bench.
Add? Okay, this foam axolotl and this clicker. Accept. What? No. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things for one. Accept.
But mine's in need. Whatever, it's okay.
Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Here, Miss Bench. So cool. This dumpling squishy.
Finally, something decent. I think if this cat's pretty fair, I'll give you this cat. But please add just a little bit because mine's a little bit bigger.
Add? Okay, this mochi and this Orbeez ball thing. But you would have to add.
Okay, this dumpling.
Add.
This Neato, but would you add, Miss Bench?
Sure. This clicker thing. This thing. This really nice homemade squishy. This slide and open McDonald's fidget. And this homemade squishy. But you would need to add.
Add? This is not even fair. Okay, this.
Add. This and this. Add. Come on. I spent my hard work on this and everything's so weird. Like, look at this. Add. This thing and this carrot, I'm so over. Wow, these are so nice. Add. This RMS UV dumpling and this coconut oil ball, please. That's all I have. Okay, accept. Okay, let's show everything that we got. Here's everything that I got. And here's everything I got. Bye, Miss Bench. Thank you.